Hey guys, if you know me, you know I love chicken. What's that clucking? All kidding aside, I wanted a quick and easy dish, and I decided to do up this spicy air-fried chicken. If you don't have an air fryer, you can do it in the oven. Came out absolutely incredible. The longest part is let it marinate. Do it the night before, let it marinate, and air fry it up the next day. So let me walk you through this. Okay guys, let's begin by making our spicy marinade, and to do this I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. Come on honey, get out of there. 1/3 of a cup of low sodium soy sauce. You can use the regular, I just like to keep the old sodium down. About a tablespoon of sriracha. I just like that word, sriracha. The juice from half a lime. Then we'll grate in a thumb-sized ginger here. And if you're using the microplaner, be careful not to get your thumb too close or you're going to have a thumb-sized thumb in there. And a couple of good-sized garlic cloves. I just love microplaners, guys. And last but not least, some freshly ground black pepper. And this is about a teaspoon, I suppose. Take my handy dandy whisk and mix everything until it's well combined. This even smells good right now. So what I've got here, guys, is a combination of chicken parts. So I've got a few drumsticks and a few thighs. This is about 1 kilogram or a couple of pounds or so. And I'm going to add half the marinade over the top. And we're going to reserve the other half because I've got a secret thing we're going to do. Shh. And just take my hands and massage the chicken. And the chicken is saying, "Oh, I like that." Now I'm just going to throw some cling wrap over the top. And we'll put this in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. You can do this overnight too if you like. After about half an hour, guys, they're nicely marinated. And I'm just going to remove the cling wrap. Now I'm going to place these into my air fryer. And if you don't have an air fryer, you can just do this in the oven too. So I'm just going to go ahead and slip these into the air fryer. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius for about 20 minutes. Alrighty then guys, remember I said keep half the sauce, so I'm going to pour this into a saucepan and simmer and stir our secret sauce until it thickens. Okay guys, once it's reduced and a little bit thicker, we're ready to baste this on our chicken. So we'll just take our chicken that is beautifully done, just look at this, fantastic, and put it on a plate. Now spoon our yummy sauce over the top. I said baste before, but I meant spoon. Just to make them look all pretty, we're going to garnish them up with some fresh green onions. And of course, some sesame seeds. Oh, doesn't this look beautiful? Guys, your friends and family are going to say, "Oh my goodness, how did you do this?" And of course, you can't tell them. No, just joking. And there you have it, my friends, our spicy air-fried chicken. And of course, if you don't have an air fryer, you can call it spicy baked chicken. Just incredible. All right, let's dig in here. You know, this is my favorite part, is the taste test. All right, time for the taste test. Just look at that delicious sauce just coming off there. Yum. Okay, here we go. Lots of stuff happening here, guys. I get the heat from the sriracha. The ginger and garlic are beautiful. The chicken is tender. This is so good. I know I say this in every video, but you gotta make this. I'm gonna have more. Just love it. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to our new site, which has been totally revamped at cookandshare.com. All kinds of fantastic stuff over there. Keep you busy for days. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, stay safe and see you next time.